Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about some of the crypto terms that you should know about, especially if you are a beginner. We'll also talk about how it can be applied in making decisions on what coins to buy or what do people mean pag ginagamit nila tong mga terms na to. When I first started trading sa cryptocurrency, there are a lot of terms na I didn't know and people kept using it. There are a lot of people who are hyping up coins, saying na maganda daw to, tataas daw, and so on. But I didn't have any idea kung paano ko malalaman if it's true or not. And so, I think this video would be one of the most important things traders, especially beginners, should know about. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, punta muna tayo kay coinmarketcap.com. Now, CoinMarketCap has been the most trusted price tracking website for comparing cryptocurrencies since 2013. Here you can check everything there is to know about a certain coin you are interested in. Later on, we're gonna talk about those data, but for now, dito muna tayo sa search bar. Here you can search for the name of the coin na gusto mong i-check. So let's say CXRP. So this is the current price of XRP. The price is the amount you need in order for you to purchase this coin. So for XRP, in order for you to buy 1 XRP, you need to have 1.13 USD. Then, if you scroll down, dito makikita mo yung iba pang terms. So, dito muna tayo sa circulating supply. Under niya, merong max supply and total supply. So, circulating supply is the number of coins that are publicly available and circulating in the market. In simplest term, ito yung total number of coins na available sa market to trade and used by general public, which is tayong mga traders. Then, max supply, it is the total possible amount of coins that will exist in the lifetime of this cryptocurrency. So, let's say si XRP, ang pinaka-maximum na XRP na mag-e-exist is 100 billion lang. So, hindi na siya lalagpas pa doon. So, sa 100 billion na yon, 46.51 billion lang yung available i-trade or gamitin sa market. Then, total supply naman, ang difference niya with max supply is, sa max supply, ito yung kabuuan. So, lahat-lahat ng XRP na pwedeng mag-exist is 100 billion. On the other hand, total supply naman is yung total amount of coins na nag-exist currently minus the coins that have already burned. Okay? Then, volume is yung total amount na tinrade within the last 24 hours. Then, here, market cap is yung total amount or price nung circulating supply. So, technically, current price times circulating supply, you'll get the coin's market cap. Itong fully diluted market cap naman is yung total amount or price if yung max supply ang nagsisirculate sa market. So technically, current price times max supply, you'll get the fully diluted market cap. So what is the use of these terms? Paano ba natin siya magagamit in terms of choosing a coin to buy? Basically, the price of a coin increases dahil sa demand. The higher the demand, the lower the supply, nag-i-increase yung price, diba? Technically, when the price reach to the point na onti na lang yung available coins in the market or it's near to its max supply, mas tumataas yung value niya. Now, this doesn't mean na let's say ma-reach ng circulating supply ni XRP yung max supply niya. This doesn't mean na mag-i-skyrocket yung price niya. Nakadepende pa rin siya if yung demand is still there. Now, some coins have unlimited supply. Ano naman epekto nito sa coin na yon? Sabi nga natin, the higher the demand, the lower the supply, nag-i-increase yung price. Now, kung meron kang unlimited supply, ibig sabihin, everyone could have it. Let's say a luxury bag like Louis Vuitton. Kaya siya expensive is because limited lang yung supplies or product, therefore only a number of people can have that product. Now, kung lahat ng tao merong Louis Vuitton, do you think it will still have the same expensive price? Of course not. Because the main reason why tumataas ang value ng isang bagay is because of the limited supply and increasing demand. Now, going back, the same goes for cryptocurrency. But this doesn't mean that every coin with unlimited supply is not good. It still depends on the fundamentals of the coin and the developers behind it. Kasi some developers, they try to develop and design an ecosystem in a way that these cryptos with unlimited supply will exist as if it has limited supply so that it could have inflation. They try to make an ecosystem wherein nababalance yung supply and demand ng coin. Okay? Now, if you scroll down here and go to the market, here you can see kung saan exchanges and pairs siya available i-trade. And here on the volume, you can see where it is mostly traded. So Binance has the highest rate of trades for XRP on the XRP USDT pair. Technically, higher rate of volume indicates higher interest for buyers and sellers in the market. Personally, when I'm choosing coins to trade, I always go for the coins that is available to 5 or more exchanges and higher rate of volume. Kasi if the coin is only available to 3 or less exchanges, that could mean that the coin is new and just recently launched, or it's not really that useful, which is why it's not that well known. Therefore, for me, the safest would be to trade with coins that are available to 5 or more exchanges. Now, lastly, I would like to discuss the difference of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and altcoin. Technically, all coins are cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the very first cryptocurrency, and since it is the longest existing cryptocurrency, the other coins built after Bitcoin are referred to as altcoins or alternative cryptocurrency coins. Altcoins shared characteristics with Bitcoin, but technically, these altcoins are made in order to solve and offer solutions for the drawbacks that Bitcoin has. And when we go here to the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies, you will see 3 different charts. So the first chart is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. So once you put your cursor over the chart, you can see the total market cap and volume. Then here on the second chart, same as above, but the difference is dito excluded si Bitcoin. So pure altcoins lang. And if you will notice, the data here is almost half of the first data we've shown, which means that half of the total market cap is held only by Bitcoin itself. And lastly, if you will scroll down more, you can see this third chart, which I think is very useful. So here you can see the top 10 largest crypto assets relative to the total market capitalization. So meaning, these top 10 coins are the overall leading cryptocurrencies that has the highest percentage of market cap. Of course, dahil longest existing si Bitcoin, siya yung may largest market cap, which is why the so-called Bitcoin dominance. Now, Bitcoin dominance is referred as the ratio between the market cap of Bitcoin to the rest of cryptocurrency market. If the dominance of Bitcoin decreases, this means that the interest for new capital is being put into altcoins than Bitcoin. Or, it also means that most capitals are being transferred from Bitcoin into altcoins. Hence, the so-called altcoin season. On the other hand, if Bitcoin dominance naman is increasing, this means that crypto investors are more into Bitcoin than altcoins. Okay? Oh, and if you want to know more about the coin, it is always better to read the coin's white paper. So, you can find it just below the name of the coin. So, let's say, balik tayo kay XRP. So, this is where you will find the coin's white paper. Make sure to read it thoroughly in order for you to understand the coin's purpose and if it really is a good investment or not, okay? So, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new with this. And if yes, kindly hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.